Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by securing the foundation. Verify all power and ground connections are clean, tight, and using correct gauge wire. Bad grounds ruin sound. Next, address the signal source, swap to a high-quality head unit, or add a line output converter so aftermarket amps get a proper preamp level feed. While you work, damp vibration paths. Apply damping material to doors and trunk to lower resonance and improve mid-range clarity. Once done, test for hums and clicks before moving to speaker upgrades. Now you upgrade transducers and amplification. Choose speakers with clear specs and pair them to an amp that delivers stable RMS power at the speaker impedance. That preserves dynamics and prevents clipping. Install component fronts for imaging, set active or passive crossovers so mids and highs aren't fighting the woofer, and time-align front and rear drivers for a coherent soundstage. Run dedicated power and ground wiring, short, straight, and properly fused, and set gain with pink noise and an SBL meter to avoid distortion. Finish by calibrating tone and balance. Use a parametric EQ to remove room resonances and make small cuts rather than big boosts. That increases headroom and clarity. Play familiar reference tracks while measuring with an RTA or app and adjust sub-level, crossover slopes, and time alignment iteratively until imaging and bass feel tight. If something goes wrong, isolate the fault. Mute channels, swap speakers or RCA leads, and recheck grounds and fuse ratings. Make one change at a time so you know what fixed it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.